Boys and girls, welcome to Car Week 2025. Oh my God, look at this. McLaren, oh my God, P1, Carrera GT, what is happening? What is happening? Ford GT coming now. SF90 Spider, oh my God, I've stumbled across the most this is, okay. Hello one and all, welcome to Seen Through Glass. This might be the most perfect intro to Monterey Car Week ever. But that's not supposed to be on the road. What? There's Pagani's coming, I need to sit down. There's, okay, Pagani Utopia, about to enter into shot. Utopia. Okay, more events. There's some G-Wagon. There's like a convoy of G-Wagon 6x6s. That's a Brabus. Oh my God, this is just. I literally picked this spot with the hope that we might see a couple of cool cars during my intro. I might have outdone myself. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Koenigsegg, something. McLaren 765 LT. So, what is that? What are these cars? I don't even know what half these things are. Okay, more Koenigsegg things. Regera. Very nice. Huayra there. I mean, this is getting out of control. Do I just stay here the whole day? I was supposed to be going to do some spotting. I think I've just spotted all of Car Week in one go. Well, that piste is delightful. I love this event so much. I don't know if I should leave. I should feel like, you know, we should now segue into another shot of me driving somewhere, but I'm not ready to go yet in case there's more. And then just a GT2 RS. Poor guy. Probably thought he bought quite a cool car here, didn't he? Right, come on, let's go. More silly cars, more silly cars. More silly cars. Oh, there's the Strand Man. Let's check. Wait! Look at these cars here. And there goes James. James is pulling off. Shall we do? I don't think he'll see us at this point. I sort of half want to go and see James, but I'll let him do his thing, because look at these ludicrous things. We've got an Aventador, an SF90XX. There's a whole camera pickup truck, and then look at this guy hanging out. What is going on? But look at that up the front. A full-on sort of accredited pickup truck, and then this is I get so confused with all these Koenigsegg things. Is that a Jesco? A Jesco, not a Regera, a Jesco. Jesco. And then there's a Bugatti Pure, is it a Pure Sport, I think? The yellow and black one. Oh, and there's a Dodici Cilindri coming down the hill. Oh, he's getting out of the car. This is unbelievable scenes, people. Bringing you all the exclusive and psychotic content. Look at this lad getting the phone content. There's the Dodici. Beautiful thing. Okay, so we're going to actually turn right here, go do our own thing, let all those lads get that content, and we'll duck down here and see what's hiding. Something was lurking there. Oh my God, it's a Veyron. It's a Veyron. We are back, people. The POVlog is back. So if you are not a long-term viewer and you might be thinking, what is this guy doing? I'm filming something called a POVlog. This is where Seen Through Glass began. All of my videos way back in 2015, 2016 were filmed point of view like this. I would drive around and just try and spot cool cars and actually really talk about anything else that I saw as well. So we're going back to my origins, and it feels only right to celebrate 10 years of Seen Through Glass, but also to be back here at Car Week to kind of document it in this way. Only thing is, which I've realised, nowadays, it's quite a sort of, well, if you're not used to watching POVlogs, it may make you feel sick. Oh, very nice SVJ there. And a nice M32. I mean, there is just too much to see. Well, after my near perfect intro to Car Week, here is the second best way to demonstrate how ridiculous Car Week is. Boys and girls, a street parked Aston Martin 177. Yes, Aston Martin's hypercar. I mean, literally, I need to come around again, don't I, to get a better shot of that. Just dumped under a tree. And we also have things like a 355, but that's a 177. I have no idea value-wise what those things do right now. There's more ludicrous stuff down there. I don't really know what it is, but I do feel like we need to go back and get another shot of that 177, just so you believe. Oh no, okay, sorry. There is a Chiron Super Sport in front of me. Forget the 177, we're moving on. Because yes, a Bugatti waving me through, please, no problem. I will happily come past you, Mr. Bugatti Super Sport. Hello, cool guy in the driver's seat. Is that a Singer? What is that? It looks immaculate. It's not a Singer, it's a very nicely restored or I mean, it just, I don't know where to begin. Look at this Sterato down here, that's what I spotted. Do we go back and show the 177, or do we just take that? Is it the mentality of Car Week of just move on? There's always going to be something else to showcase or film. There's a beautiful turbo, for example. I mean, it's just, I still can't get over a street parked 177, which then led to a Chiron Super Sport. Now there is a gaggle of people ahead, which suggests to me something special. I've got a beautiful MC20 coming towards me. Say what I want about that car, I will never say that it's not good looking. Oh, it's another Bugatti. Oh, maybe it's those lads from earlier. Now, I'm really sorry, but are these, I'm starting to get the feeling that these might be famous social media people, and I really should know that because I operate in this world, but everyone seems to follow these guys everywhere. So it says something cars. They're all FJ Miller cars. Should I know who that is? I'm really sorry, FJ Miller. Haven't come across your stuff yet. Maybe he's a dealer. I don't know. Anyway, F12. We've seen those cars already, so we're moving on. As I say, I'm keeping that mentality. 12Cs are aging well. Got a sort of 911 hot rod resto molly type, and there's just a dime a dozen here, which they're still cool to see, but when it's Car Week, you just, you know, you get it, guys. Right, I'm going to go left. Try not to get crushed by that 5 Series. Let's cross over. See what else we can find. Sam from the future here. Sorry for the interruption, but as you can imagine, epic trips like this one to Monterey Car Week simply wouldn't be possible without partners, supporters, sponsors of this channel, and this part of the video has been sponsored by Odoo. Now, if you've been watching my recent content, you would have already heard me talk about Odoo because they got in touch a couple of months ago. I've started to use some of their apps and it's really helped me run my business, so I'm more than happy to continue to promote them, but also I'm very welcome to have their support so that I can bring you this epic old school POVlog style content. If you don't know about Odoo, you haven't heard me talk about it, it's an all-in-one management software that provides entrepreneurs and business owners with a range of applications to simplify the day-to-day management of business, including invoicing, accounting, project management, inventory, website creation, and more. Best thing is, Odoo grows with you, allowing you to add additional apps as your business expands and your needs evolve. Today, I want to quickly talk to you about their invoicing app. As you can imagine, when I'm on the road, it's quite hard to stay on top of invoicing people, making sure that I've got paid, receiving money, all that kind of stuff. Well, Odoo removes that stress and struggle because their app allows you to manage and track your invoices electronically. It's super simple, super easy to set up. You just input all the information, you can receive online payments so that your customers can pay direct via Stripe or PayPal. And the best thing is, because the first app is free when you sign up to Odoo, you can create all of your invoices for free. You get unlimited hosting and unlimited support. After that, you can have access to additional apps from just $19.90 per month. As I say, I found Odoo really helpful for running my business, but they are also awesome supporting this channel and these adventures, so please go and give them some support. Go check it out. Check out one of their apps for free. It's free. I mean, it's free to check out one of their apps, so go do that. But for now, let's get back to the supercar madness in Monterey. Oh my God. Oh my God. Daytona SP3 just out of nowhere. I mean, that's the second one I've ever seen on the road. I'm obsessed. I think I want to turn around. I'm obsessed. I think I want to turn around. I'm freaking out. That is, that looked unbelievable. It's so low, I didn't see it. I was like, I wonder what some people are taking photos of. I mean, yes, okay, very nice, 911 but how do I go back? Unreal. Okay, no, but still stick to the same mantra. We don't turn back for anything because there could be something better around the corner. I can't believe that just happened. I've pulled over in quite an illegal position because coming out of this junction behind me in a second is one of the most outrageous things I think I've ever seen. Wait for it. Yep, here it comes. Okay, it is a Valkyrie Spider covered in like, is it diamonds or like, I don't know what is going on there, but it is something outrageous. Now I'm pretty sure this is a YouTuber called Supercar Ron, or anyway, this is, yes, madness. There's also a whole lot of these new Shelby Mustangs, which looks amazing, but I need to get content of this Valkyrie Spider. I mean, Valkyries on the road at the best of times look insane. One covered in crystals or sparkly gems. I mean, I don't even know where to start. I mean, look at that thing. They are just out of control. We've got a Revuelto in front of us, which I'm guessing maybe they're convoying these two. Never want to get in the way of a convoy, but let's see. Okay, they're going to go right. Let's maybe follow suit, because I'm sorry, that, oh no, there we go. That car looks outrageous. See if I can maybe get behind. Is that possible? No, I've got an Audi that also wants. It's in a race for the content. Actually, she's an old lady, so she should have let me go. Damn you, old lady, interrupting the content. Oh, let's see if I can get alongside instead. That could be cool. Let's see now. Is he going to go left into come? Oh, he is. I'm darting around all over the place. It's back to crazy old spotting days when I throw caution to the wind and get the content for the content. What are we doing here? We're just going to sit in traffic, or are you going to go left? Oh, we're just going to sit in traffic. So maybe I should go alongside then. That could be cool. Let me see. Can I get alongside? Is that a thing? Yes, here we go. We're going to get alongside. I'm going to put the window down because I think side profile of this car could be quite mad if we get there. I mean, look at the madness. Now, the weird thing about Valkyrie is it doesn't sound that great unless you just get so much of the gearbox noise, but here we go. I mean, look at that. What the hell? I think everyone is freaking out about that. You can go. I'll let you go. You can come through. Come on then. If that's where you want to go. Go on, sir. Yeah, all you get is just that gearbox whine, that gearbox chatter. Kind of want to hear the car howl, but just quickly. Wait. Ferrari. Yeah, this thing is mad. Boys and girls, welcome to Car Week 2025. Absolute mayhem. The year the YouTubers take over. Look at the reaction there, that guy was freaking out. The year the YouTubers take over the hypercars. This event used to be all about the classics, the priceless Ferraris and race cars from eras past, and now it's about which YouTuber can bring the craziest car. Madness. My day is truly complete. Right there, if you can see it, is the world's only road legal Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Now, I saw this car in the UK at the Octane Collection like a year or so ago, maybe less. And now here it is in Monterey, and well, the car spotting world is freaking out and going mad for this car. It has been going viral all over the internet. Look at the Cayenne in front. People are absolutely losing their minds, and rightfully so. I think only 10 of these cars were ever made. This is the only road legal one. I mean, look at this thing. It is absolutely mad. Let me get alongside. I want other people to be able to get their shots too. I've got another car behind me. Everyone is chasing this car all around California and the area. There's a big old Hummer. I think that must be security in the Hummer. This thing is driving people mad. So let's make sure we don't get caught in any boffs here. I'm actually in the wrong lane, so I've just been a bit illegal there, but we're gonna go for it anyway and see if we can catch this thing. Because yeah, it will complete my day seeing the Diamante Valkyrie Spider and now seeing this Sesto Elemento. Yeah, I mean, that, boys and girls, right there is Car Week. Right now! Razor from Octane is driving it. I'll try and get his attention once again. Let's see. Well and truly made the world go mad. So cool. So cool. Look at the reception it gets. Absolutely everywhere. I would try and call him, but I don't think it's going to have Apple CarPlay. For some reason. Now look, we've got a nice Countach in the background there. Cars everywhere, but all attention is definitely on the Sesto. I should probably get a photo. We are stopped at a red light. Slightly illegal. Please don't dog me in. Okay. Come on, lads. I think I might have missed my moment there. Feels like I'm in the wrong lane. Very, very cool. He's being hounded down by spotters. We'll leave him to it. Oh, something else is making a good noise. What was that? Now, take what I'm about to say with a pinch of salt, but that might be one of the sort of most basic looking Veyrons that I've seen in a while. I've genuinely just been on a stakeout. I've been sitting in this car park, which is on the edge of a sort of huge crossroads for a while, just waiting for something to come past. And then this appears, which is obviously a very early 16.4 Veyron, and just that, and it looks... It's the first time actually I would say that a Veyron looks a bit old, weirdly. I don't know what it is about that spec that makes it look a tiny bit dated. I love these cars though. If I had the money, I'd be all over it. We've been talking about YouTubers showing up to Monterey Car Week this year with all their supercars and hypercars. Obviously a few of the US guys have these Veyrons. I don't know if this is anyone that I should be aware of, but yeah, I mean, it's still so cool though. With the Montana plates, which is a bit of an in-joke here in America. But I mean, just look at that thing. Black on black on black on black. Yep, very cool. Right, do I continue my stakeout or do I keep doing laps? Maybe I keep moving around. The light is fading. It is 6:30 now. But I feel like we've got a few more spots in us. I'm not really sure what's left to see. Of the cars that I know that are here, we've seen like all the big hitters that all the other people have seen, so who knows, maybe we're going to stumble across like a McLaren F1 GTR or a, I don't know what.